press this button first. And this setting. This is the menu button. This is highest temperature, no temperature, price, first drink price, second. This is the first drink setting. This is a hot body setting. Cold drink, you don't need to set. If you don't need, use it. This is delay time. Delay time you set 0. First canister delay time. First canister. This canister. This is material for the material. First canister material. First canister material. And second delay time 0. And second canister, you can set different price. 0. You can set 0. And this is the first drink, first drink, second drink, third drink, and fourth drink, 5, 6. Okay, this is the first drink setting. Then second, 6, and then finish. Press this button.